Hello and welcome to another video lesson. In this lesson, you will learn what is simultaneous linear equation and how to solve simultaneous linear equations. So let's get started. If two linear equations in two variables are simultaneously satisfied by the same values of the variables, then these equations are called simultaneous linear equations. There are three methods to solve simultaneous linear equations. Method 1 is equating the coefficients, method 2 is elimination by substitution, and method 3 is cross multiplication. So let's solve examples by applying each of these methods one by one. Now let's solve this example by using the first method, that is equating the coefficients. So we have 5x minus 2y equals 1 and 2x minus y equals 0. First of all, we will call the equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now we will try to equate the term x of equation number 1 with the term x of equation number 2. So suppose if we multiply equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 5, so we will get 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10x minus 2 multiplied by 2 minus 4y equals 2, and we will call this as equation number 3. Now multiplying equation second by 5, which will give us 10x minus 5y equals 0, goes to equation number 4, and we can also write in comments as multiplying equation 1 by 2, and we can write a comment to equation number 4 like multiplying equation second by 5. So we will not be confused with these equations. Now we can subtract equation number 4 from the equation number third. So for subtracting, we will have to change the symbols. It was originally plus, so we change it to minus. It is originally minus, so we change it to plus, and we will change it to minus, which is originally plus. So these both will get cancelled with each other, and 5 minus 4 give us a single y equals 2. So we have the value of y equals 2. Now we will put this value of y in equation number 1. So we can write put y equals 2 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 5x minus 2y equals 1. Now we will put the value of y over here. 5x minus 2 into 2 equals 1. 5x minus 4 equals 1, which will further give us 5x equals the shift minus 4 to the right side of the equality, which will give us 1 plus 4. 5x equals 5, so x equals, divide both sides by 5, which will give us 1. So we have the value of x as 1 and the value of y equals 2. Now we have another example, that is 3x plus 4y equals 20, and then we have 2x plus y equals 15. So call it equation number 1 and call this equation number 2. We will solve this by this method 2, that was elimination by substitution, and the first one was equating the coefficients, and that was method 1. So in elimination by substitution, we will find the value of x or y from either equation 1 or 2, and then we will put the value of either x or y in one equation, and this way we will get values. So let's solve the example and see how this really works. So Now we may find the value of x or y from equation 1 and 2. Let us consider equation number 2, that is 2x plus y equals 15. So we will write it as y equals 15 minus 2x. We will shift 2x from the equality from the left side of the equality to the right side of the equality, and we will call this equation number 3. Now we will put the value of this y in equation number 1. So equation number 1 becomes 3x plus 4 into, put the value of y here, 15 minus 2x, and it will further simplify, and let's further simplify 3x plus 4 multiplied by 15 gives 60 minus 8x, and yes, we forgot 20 over here equals 20. So simplified further, 3x minus 8x equals 20, and shift the 60 from the left side of the equation to the right side of the equality. That will become minus 60 over here. It will become minus 5x equals minus 40. So divide both sides by minus 5. So x becomes 8. So we have the value of 8 over here. Now put this value in equation number 3, which becomes y equals minus 15 minus 2 into 8. In place of x, we will put 8 over here, 8 over here, and so it will become y equals 15 minus 2 multiplied by 8 equals 16, y equals minus 1. So the value of x over here is 8, whereas the value of y equals minus 1. Now let's see how we can solve simultaneous linear equation by cross multiplication. So suppose we have two equations over here, that is x plus 2y minus 11 equals 0 and 2x plus y minus 10 equals 0. So we will call this equation number 1 and we call this equation number 2. In the cross multiplication method, we will create a table-like structure over here. Since the coefficient of x is 1, so we'll write 1 over here, 1 over here, and the coefficient of y is 2, so we'll write 2 over here, and then we have minus 11, so we'll write minus 11. In the second equation, we have the coefficient of x as 2, whereas the coefficient of y is 1, and then we have minus 10. Now in the same sequence, repeat the three numbers again. Like we have 1, 2, minus 11, so we will write 1, 2, minus 11, and we have 2, 1, minus 10 over here. Now the cross multiplication works in such a way that we will have to ignore both of these, this one, and we will cross multiply the rest of the digits. Like multiply this with this, multiply this with this, this with this, this with this, this with this, and lastly this with this. So we will write these like this. We will first write x, then we will write divided by 2 multiplied by minus 10, 2 into minus 10, and then we will write minus, then we will write 1 into minus 11, that is this one. Then we will write equals, and we will write y here over here, then we will write minus 11 divided by minus 11 into 2 and minus, then we have minus 10 over here, so we write in bracket minus 10 multiplied by, then we have 1 over there, so we write it like this, and we write equals. Then in the last numerator we will write 1 over here divided by 1 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 2, and this is how the cross multiplication works. Now simplify these, so we write x divided by minus 20 plus 11 equals y divided by minus 22 plus 10 equals 1 divided by 1 minus 4. We'll write x divided by minus 9 equals y divided by minus 12 equals 1 divided by minus 3. So we will write x equals remember that this 1 over 1 divided by minus 3 is for both x divided by minus 9 and y divided by minus 12. So we can write this as x divided by minus 9 equals 1 divided by minus 3, and we can have y divided by minus 12 equals 1 divided by minus 3. Now now multiply this whole equation by minus 9, so this will get cancelled with that minus 9, and so we will have x equals minus 9 divided by minus 3, which will give us a single 3. So the value of x comes out with us is 3. Now on this side we will multiply the whole equation by minus 12, so we'll have y over here as minus 12 will get cancelled with minus 12 equals, and minus 12 divided by minus 3 will give us 4. So the x so the value of x is 3, whereas the value of y is 4. So I hope you have learned a lot from this lesson. If you have any problem, please write down in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and like this video and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.